ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ dear friends. Myself Mr. Nagaraj, your humble politician. I know it's already been more than 45 days since I came anywhere. Please don't laugh, please. And today is actually a very, very special day because it's a Christmas Eve. And
today is Christmas Eve?
Yeah, tomorrow is Christmas.
Tomorrow is Christmas. Okay. So you also practice Christianity?
Every religion, Sadhkan. Being a politician, it's my job to do that one.
Okay.
So firstly, ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. But kindly be careful. If Santa Claus is leaving any bags and going anywhere, please call the police. 100 is the number. I'm requesting you to do that one because Karnataka government, we are very, very worried about everything that is happening in the state of Karnataka.
We are also very worried as citizens about what's happening in the state of Karnataka.
Anyways, let's get started, Sadhkan. Today actually, we have a very special guest with us. He is the chief guest of honor. I want to welcome Mr. Nagaraj. Yeah, thank you.
2 days old anyways.
Yeah, Mr. Nagaraj, we have a guest, Mr. Nagaraj. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Introduce him to your audience, no?
Yeah, dear friends, Kirik Potty. We are all heard about this one. No, all social media, suddenly they are attacking continuously. So Sunil Shetty is here with us.
Rakshit Shetty.
Rakshit Shetty.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's fine.
so same Shetty. What's the
It's
problem?
not the same. How is it the
First
same?
name is different.
Yeah.
First name is different. Okay, no problem. Okay. Anyways, so you're doing a film called The Kirik Potty, and Sadhkan, I'm extremely angry about that one. I firstly want to make it very clear.
You're angry about it.
Yeah.
About my film.
Yeah.
Why?
No, I want to ban it. Firstly,
Ban my film.
yeah. ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್?
No, but why do you want to ban the film? There has to be some reason.
No, because see, firstly, they have made a documentary about the Kirti.
No.
When he's not even in town, he's in the Big Boss house. Without his permission, they have made this film.
No, this is not a documentary.
No.
This is a college entertaining film.
No, how can you call your film a Kirik Potty? That is what we politicians are doing. What is a political party? It's a Kirik Potty.
So again, how can you confuse the two, Mr. Nagaraj?
No, confused ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. It's not confused. It's serious.
Do you understand the meaning of party? Party.
Yeah, of course. What is a party? A party is a general secretary, vice president, president, secretary. That is a political party.
Kirik party is a slang.
Yeah.
It's normally used everywhere.
No, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? I have not used that word. See, my politicians, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. We have done it successfully. Now just recently we said we'll build a steel flyover. That is a kirik.
Okay, Rakshit, I
Yeah.
think you should explain to him that, or ask him rather,
Yeah.
what other words come to mind when they say party? Other
Party
than
is
your
what?
words.
Sadhkan, alka, ladies, pot,
What?
pot, like teapot, tea. I'm not consuming that one, dear young friends. I'm
Of
just
course
saying.
you're not
Yeah.
consuming. You're never high, right? Never high.
No, never Sadhkan. I'm never high. Yeah, I'm never high. But yeah, we are here now and I want to actually find out what is this kirik potty.
Yes, it's an agenda. It's a great
Yeah,
film.
ಏನದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಫಿಲಂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ without about the politicians?
Basically, Kirik party is a slang which people normally use.
Where?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಇವನ್ ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ.
Okay.
It's a regularly used slang everywhere. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತದು. Yeah.
So that is what the film is about. It's an entertaining college. I
Yeah.
haven't seen. I think
No,
it's about-
I have seen that. ನಾನು ಟ್ರೇಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. How can you able to blow in public?
Blow?
Yeah, if you blow, you have seen the trailer. They are blowing in public.
What is he blowing in the movie?
He blowing a whistle, Sadhkan.
That is. What about the blowing that you make us do every night and on Saturday and Sunday or on Friday also these days?
That
What
is to
about
check if you are taking a drinks or not. That is our job. So we're doing it. Why is whistling like that in the college?
No, but I also want to know why.
I've done that in real life, so I thought I'll give it to the film as well.
Nice.
ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ he was blowing.
He's blowing the whistle. Whistle.
No, let's show it. I want to see.
The whistle?
Yeah, do it.
Can you blow? As in whistle, can you blow the whistle?
No, use your fingers.
You just.
That should be louder.
No, what is he saying, sir? Can't use your fingers.
No,
Oh
no.
my God, this
No,
is
it's for.
Tamilarige, I'm extremely sorry, dear friends. It's turning into a very vulgar show, this one. But see, I've seen the trailer. In that, you are studying mechanical engineering.
Yes.
And I cannot believe that there are two good-looking girls in the trailer.
The trailer, yeah.
They cannot be there. How can mechanical engineering? How can they be two beautiful girls?
I've never told that they are from mechanical engineering.
No, that is wrong.
Yes.
Ladies cannot be in mechanical
No,
engineering.
they're not from
They're not,
mechanical
he's saying.
The
engineering.
mechanical engineers,
They are
most of
from
them
a
are having
college.
a cock fest.
See, every college has a
Sausage
lot of,
fest.
No, that
No,
Mr. Nagar.
Because Christmas they're frying and eating that one. That's what I mean. Yeah.
Yes,
Every-
Rakshit, please answer.
Yeah, please ಹೇಳಿ. No, why are you laughing? Say, yeah,
Every college has many branches.
Yeah,
And in other branches, there are girls.
yeah,
You
So
know the other
I am
branches?
from mechanical branch.
Yeah.
The girls are not.
yeah.
The girls are from, one is from electronics and communication, and one is from electronics.
So did she turn you on or what in the film? No, you're saying electronics and communications. I want to know. Same.
Yes, everywhere it's not about the words. Rakshit, are you a mechanical engineer in real life? Are you an engineer?
I am an engineer, but not mechanical.
What is the engineering you have done?
I have done electronics and communication.
So why not you do a reverse role? Why didn't you play the girl's character and make the girls play your character?
It won't be Kirik
I
Patil,
don't
it
look
will be
that
something
good.
else.
What party it will be there?
I thought Sanvi has to look beautiful and.
Sanvi?
Sanvi.
Sanvi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is she? Why she's not come?
Why do you want her to be here?
She's
See,
scared.
politicians we enjoy young ladies around us.
Around you.
Around us, on us, it depends sometimes. On us means like if it's a small baby girl, I like it.
It's very inappropriate, Mr.
Alright, it's very
Nagar.
good Sarkhan to put to like sleep like that and all that. You know, I've done that before.
You put young girl to sleep. A baby,
The
okay,
baby,
a
baby.
So, I
Yeah.
have to ask a question to you, Rakshit.
Yeah.
The audience, when they're coming to watch this film, and obviously the trailer
Yeah.
looks exciting,
Yeah.
what should we look forward to in the film?
It's a complete fun ride throughout the film. So you'll watch the whole film. with
Fun
smile.
riots, ನೋಡಿ ಇವರು riots ಫನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ dear friends. That's what we politicians also are doing. See, last time nowadays.
So there's no difference.
Yeah, there is no difference. ನೋಡಿ nowadays the public has become very smart. ನಾವು ಪಾಪ we are trying to do ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಫನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
It's ride, R-I-D, ride, not R-I-O-T-S.
So who's riding whom in the film?
No. Rakshit,
Who is?
who's riding whom in the film is what he's asking.
No, we are riding a car. There's a Kirik car.
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I've seen that car.
Ah.
See, I have to ask you in the end of the trailer, somebody is shaking the car. What is happening in the car?
There's
And
someone
that way
inside-
you are outside. You are outside the car, but the car is shaking. Why is the car shaking?
When
There's
he's
some-
outside.
There's someone
Yeah.
inside the dicky.
Why did you watch the film to ask that question? No?
Is the dicky inside somebody or is somebody in the dicky?
No.
Don't laugh. It's a serious question.
There's someone inside the dicky.
Dicky,
And-
trunk.
yeah,
But
the
the
trunk
thing is,
of the-
why did you watch the film to explore the mystery, Mr. Nagaraj?
No,
Everything
Sadhkan,
can
I
happen.
cannot watch this film, Sadhkan. Sorry, because if politicians, they cannot do like this,
But it's
Sadhkan.
releasing on December 30th.
But it's not about
releasing-
politicians
Not
at
about
all.
politicians at all.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's not a political film.
Yeah.
It's a college fun
Okay.
film.
Just because the film Sultan, was it about kings? No, it was about wrestling. So like that,
Here's the
Kirik
point.
party, it's not about a political party.
Allah, yeah, family, Allah, we can came and watch the film or what?
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
came and watch it.
You have a family?
Yeah.
They'll come with
My
you.
wife Lavanya is there.
They'll come with you.
No, yeah, depends.
What kind of Kirik have you done in your life that you really think that you can watch this movie?
See, Sadhkan, recent Kirik I'm done is a steel flyover ಬಗ್ಗೆ. I said I want to build it. ಅದೊಂದು Kirik idea. Because already road ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Oh.
Still, I want to build a steel flyover on that.
On that.
There's a Kirik.
What about other
So
small
that you
Kiriks?
can travel easily.
Yeah, small Kirik ಬೇರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ for example, road already it's there. Tar is there. I'll again simply go put the tar there and then I'll take a kickback. That is a Kirik.
Oh, wow. Rakshit, you are a prankster on set. Are you a prankster? Do you do a lot of Kirik stuff on set?
Yeah, sometimes.
You did? So you did.
What is that one story? Say us.
One story, huh?
While shooting Kirik party, I mean there's
Just see, dear friends. Nodi, watch, Nodi, dear friend. What a rich person is. Actor is making so much money. See this? Yeah, continue. Yelappa, Yelappa. Income tax, if you are watching, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು raid ಮಾಡಿ.
Let him answer the question. Why are you looking at his hand?
Yeah, continue.
so there was a serious scene going on. And
Serious,
they're shooting a serious scene.
Yeah.
And I was not supposed to come in the scene. And I
Come in the scene. As in,
like
Yeah, serious scene only is not supposed to come. Yeah, okay, continue. Yeah, very family movie, dear friends. This one. Yeah, continue.
Come as in appear.
Okay, appear.
So I'm not in the
Appear.
scene at all.
Okay.
But I like when they're shooting, I suddenly entered in between, and I started saying my dialogues from the other scene, and people were confused, what to do.
basically, what you do in real life, when you say something and you mean something else, he's done that as a prank.
But that is why I'm a politician, Sarkar.
Oh, only politicians have the right to do that?
But it looks like now actors also are doing the same thing. So I does not know
There's no
what to say.
difference.
No, because see, I'm actually watched Godi Banna. How can you let your father go?
He didn't let his father.
That was written that way. I mean,
No,
you have to
not written. I
completely-
saw the father leaving. I switched it off,
You have
Satkan.
to completely
No, but
blame.
I couldn't watch because I can't stop.
No, but Nagaraj, he had a condition. There was a condition.
You have to completely blame the director for that. Even I was not, I was actually worried about that.
Yeah.
Completely blame. You should have to blame the
No,
director.
you can be emotional. It's fine. I think with this emotional thing, I think we'll do a last rapid fire.
Yeah, let's
both
do
of
it.
you, both of you, one of you all have attended college, right? I don't know about him, but you have attended
Yeah.
college.
yeah.
No, even I attended Satkan.
Like no, not as
No,
not
just to
paid
buy
for.
the degree.
Yeah, that I. So I'm gonna.
Yeah, continue. What is the rapid fire?
Rapid fire questions to
Yeah.
both of you all.
Yeah, throw it.
Throw it because I think
Bisako.
because you want to decide whether it's a party or not. He's saying it's not that kind of party.
Allah did Bisaka.
So whoever wins decides that it's a cricket party. Okay?
Yeah, Bisaka. Throw it.
Okay, so the questions are.
Yeah.
So first we'll start with Rakshit because he's the guest. Okay, that is to the other camera. Okay, great. So the question: one girl's name that you remember from college.
Nirala, right?
Nirala.
Who's Nirala?
No, can you answer your question? That's fine.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ just please Facebook dear friends Nirala Roy ಯಾರಂತ ನೋಡಿ please send her a message also saying Rakshit Shetty has said hi.
What is the
She
girl
was,
that
she
you
was my
remember?
senior.
Oh, senior.
Yeah, I was in first year and she was in final year. And I had a huge crush on her.
Did anything happen after that?
No, nothing.
Nothing. Great. Okay.
I'm sure now she wants
No.
no she's watching this video so she knows who the cute man is. Nirala.
Nagaraj,
Yeah.
your turn. The girl that
ನಾಗರಾಜ್
you
ಸಾರ್
remember.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು
Okay, Mr.
ಇದಿಲ್ಲ.
Nagaraj.
Yeah.
Mr. Nagaraj, the girl that you remember from college.
Yeah, Kaveri.
One girl.
Saundarya.
One girl.
No, we were doing group chat. So I cannot remember one girl. Many girls. I was very popular among the ladies.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so it was ladies' college or you were part of that college?
You always wanted to be a politician, like you
Always.
Even-
Always.
It's his hobby.
My hobby.
Were you in college politics?
Always. Right from school days. My first scam ಬಂದು ಒಂದು brown paper scam.
What was that?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ₹5 actually but actually the cost was ₹3 ₹2 profit I made 8 only I sucked on it entire day.
The next rapid fire question.
Two more questions. Yeah, go for it.
Two more quick questions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Professor's
No,
name.
rapid fire.
Yes. Professor's name that you remember from college. Go. Nagaraj.
No,
Mr. Nagaraj.
No, I didn't go to class. Which politician has gone to class? Why do you think we don't have class?
Professor's name, Rakshit.
Manjunath.
Manjunath. Yes, Manjunath.
Manjunath has gone to get your lollipop.
Okay, yeah, continue. What is the third question?
Third question. Final one.
Yeah.
A small kirik that you did in college that you remember. Or a big kirik, whatever.
No, Satkan, I actually made one co-ed school, turned it a complete boys school.
That's not kirik. That's being ridiculously like
ನಾನು
massive.
ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದು.
Yeah?
Yeah, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದು.
What?
I did it.
What about you? A kirik in a big or small kirik in college?
We used to go and write our sessionals in the night. We should enter the staff room and
In the night.
In the night, staff room. This sounds really like one of those pizza delivery boy will come next. Huh? Oh yeah, you don't have your grades. We're gonna show you who's a bad boy.
What happened to you, sir?
No, I'm just seeing some videos I've seen on some ex.
No, don't complete
yeah.
that. Don't complete.
Okay.
That. Thank you.
Anyways, so I think Kirik Party is going to be a gorgeous film.
December 30th.
December 30th.
December 30th, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ dear friends, and even 31st night. I know many people want to go party, but I'm saying you go Kirik Party.
Are you going to attend the celebrity show? We have a celebrity show on.
Are you really thinking of calling him?
He is a celebrity, right? Like a celebrity politician.
Yeah, definitely.
Don't cry. It's okay.
He's the most. He's the most famous politician I heard.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I don't know about the famous one, but I think right now it's Rakshit's time, guys. So let's support Rakshit and let's make Kirik Party a huge success.
Thank you so much.
David to Nodi. Theatre ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. David.
ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ನೈಟ್ ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ
And we have to add one more thing that he's called a simple star, but he doesn't choose to be called. a
ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಗೋಧಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್
Godhi star.
ಕಿರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್
The fact that he's
ನಾವು
such
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ
a-
ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಏನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಇಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್
Yeah. So
ವಾಟ್
Kirik-
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್
I don't know.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
I was called a twinkle star when my first film released.
No, I think don't. Yeah.
No,
That's it.
better. Rakshit Shetty is only fine. Alright, on that note, guys,
Watch it for him. Great guy. Great
30th
person.
December, support our friend, and this is for you, buddy. All the best.
Thank you so much.
We love you. Okay, bye now. Bye.